Hey everybody, how you doing? Mark here, standing out in the middle of the country in Wisconsin. Actually, I'm not very much in the middle of the country. Stoughton is like right over there. So yeah, I'm not far from civilization. Anyway, here I am standing at number 19. Yes, Rustic Road 19. I have ridden this road in the past, but I've never recorded it for you guys. This is Lalor Road, and this road is 2.3 miles. So yeah, let's just jump on it. It's going to be a fairly short video, but let's jump on the road, see what it's got, huh? Let's go. All right, Rustic Road number 19. What was that? Waubesa Wetlands Watershed? Okay. Now, as I stated, I have ridden this road in the past, but it has been a very long time. I really don't remember much about this road. I think there's a little zigzaggy curve that's towards the middle of the road. Here's a speed limit sign that says 35, so I'll take it down a little bit. As you can tell by the colors in the trees, we are in autumn here. I know you guys are probably seeing this in the winter of 2025. It's probably already January for you guys, but for me it's just late October. Yeah, there's a turtle crossing sign there. Got a little creek down here, that's nice. Oh, looks like they're gonna get some drainage culverts put in, probably for that creek back there or something. So yeah, in this little video, you're going to see a lot of nice fall colors. I don't think we've hit our peak color time yet, but it's getting close. Look at all those little cows. Those look like Northland cows. The road's pretty bumpy. Has to be expected for these rustic roads. You know, to find one that isn't bumpy is actually the big thing, you know. And it looks like some sort of a walking trail over there. I have no idea what. Nice tree there. Wow. Wow, look at those colors in the trees. Yeah. This is my favorite time of year. It really is. Look at that. That is just beautiful. Absolutely amazing. I love the colors. And that's it, guys. We are already at the end of the road. Pretty steep ending here. Seriously, this is pretty steep. But here's the end. Oh, nice roads. I don't like it when they're short like that, man. I really wish that they would make like a 5-mile limit, you know, minimum. Amazing road. Oh, that's it. That's number 19, guys. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for enjoying the fall colors with me and a little bit of an adventure on a rustic road. This is Mark saying, always believe heart, soul, mind, and body in yourself. Bye, guys.